Now it's a beautiful time to invite Pastor Mark, our new pastor as well. That I was speaking before, just a bit before, with Pastor Mark, and he sort of gave me some headway into saying his full name. So excuse me if I sort of say it wrong, but Thiang Xiang Mang. So Pastor Mark is, and I'll sort of lead out here, so Pastor Mark is from Myanmar. You know where Myanmar is. If not, you'll learn as you sort of get to fellowship with Mark as well. So, and Pastor Mark, it's beautiful that you're with us and you can meet us as well. And I'd like you to, and I'm certain that you'll feel most comfortable in our small community, family community. And we wish you lots of God's blessings that in the work that you'll be sharing with us in our family community. May God bless you and give you blessings above. And I know that you'll feel with us like an extension of your family as well. Thank you. God bless. And so we invite you now, Pastor, for your sermon, and for Brother Henry for translating as well. So we invite you up. God's blessings to all.
Khiêm bằng danh